Quine-Meklansky, using Quine-Meklansky method. See the spelling, Quine-Meklansky. Taken down. Obtain all the prime implicants of the given Boolean functions using Quine-Meklansky method. Taken down. Is that taken down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you pay attention. I'm explaining you how to do the tabular method or Quine-Meklansky method. Okay, so step one, first thing is, okay, step one, okay, what you have to do, you have to write this in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, express in form of 0 or 1. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll insert table. This is number A, B, C. Sorry, this is ABC, huh? Number A, B, C. Okay? Right with this? Y'all are here. First pay attention what I'm doing. Okay? Now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So these are the mean terms given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, how do we express 0? 0, 0, 0. Correct? Okay. Next, how I express 1? 0, 0, 1. 2 is 0, 1, 0. Okay. 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0. Okay. 5 is 1, 0, 1. And 6 is 1, 1, 0. All I've done up till here? Is this step done by everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, parallelly you have to work it out, huh? Okay. So this is your step number 1. Now, step number 2. Step number 2 is you have to group the mean terms according to number of ones present. Okay, it means what? Okay, so what I'll do, I'll once again draw a table. Okay, so right, so see, it is written group the mean terms according to number of ones. Okay, ones present and in the increasing order. Okay, it means what? Step 2 means, see, 0 is having how many number of ones? Yes,
0.
0 number of ones, right? I'll add it here. for your convenience, right? Number of ones. Okay, number of ones. In 0, how many number of ones are there? 1. Okay, in 1, how many number of ones are there?
1.
1. In 2 also there is only 1. In 3, how many number of ones are there?
1.
2. Next, in
2,
4,
ma'am.
there is only 1. Okay, in 5, there are 2 ones. In 6, there are 2 ones. Understood this column, everyone?
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
0, 0.
Yeah, in 0. Sorry. Okay. Now, is that okay?
Yes,
Is this
ma'am.
okay? Or this also called as index. What is the index? Okay. So this is also called as index. Up till here, it is okay. I hope so, right? Now, see how many number, see, first column is 0, okay, 0 is having 0 ones, okay, so I'll make this as a group, okay, this is my first one, okay. Next, I'll group the number of mean terms, I'll group all the mean terms which have same number of index, okay, matlab see, now, see, 1 is having how many ones? 1, okay, 2 also is having only 1, okay, 1, 2. Now come to this 4. See, 3 is having 2 number of ones, right? So instead of, I'll not write 3 here, okay. Now 4 is having how many number of ones? 1. So I'll write 4 here, okay. So this is my, देखो समझ में आ रहा है? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, I have grouped it as 6, I'll get it here, 5, I'll get it here, 3, 4, 2, 1. See, what I have done now, I have, see, 0 mein there are number of, 0 number of ones, so I have made that as one group, okay. Now, I group the mean terms which are having index 1, so that is 1, 2 and 4, okay, 1, 2 and 4, so I have written 1, 2 and 4, okay. बचे हुए क्या 3 में, the index of 3 is 2, index of 5 is 2 and index of 6 is 2, so 3, 5, 6 I have written. Is this step clear? Is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See what I have written? Group the mean terms according to the number of ones present. So this is one group, this is second group, this is third group. Okay? And present and in the increasing order means 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. Understood step 2, everyone? Step 2 is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, now I'll go to step 3. Okay, for that step 2 table is this. Okay, I'm taking step 2 table. Okay. Okay, this is table of step 2. Now, in step 3, what you have to do is, in step 3, okay, you have to go on comparing each group with the next or with immediate immediate next group, right? And C for only one bit change. Okay, this means what? See, now this is my one group. Okay, this is my another group. Okay, 1, 2, 4 is my another group. So what you have to do is, okay, what you have to do is, see what I'll do, I'll compare 0 with 2. First, I'll compare 0 with 2. Okay, see, I'll compare this 0 with, 0 with 1. See, what I have to do is, see, what I'll do in step 3, I'll compare 0 with 1, then I'll compare 0 with 2, then I'll compare 0 with 4. Okay. Next, I'll compare 1 with 3, I'll compare 1 with 5, I'll compare 1 with 6. Then I'll compare 2 with 3, 2 with 5, 2 with 6. Then I'll compare 4 with 3, 4 with 5 and 4 with 6. Understanding this part, comparing each group with immediate next group. This statement is clear. Is this statement understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll compare 0 and 1. Okay, so see, I've written number 0 and 1. Okay, what you have to do, you have to compare it such a way that the bit positions have only changed with one variable. Okay, see, A is 0, in 0 A is 0 and in 1 also A is 0. Okay, now in 0 B is 0, 1 is 0. So I'll write again 0 here. However, C changes from 0 to 1, correct? So I can group 0 and 1 and in place of C, I'll put a dash. Is this understood? Is this understood or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see who have joined now, newcomers, you have to take care. Okay. Now, others, is this clear? Sure? Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
देखो अभी what I did, I compared this 0 with 1. Next what I'll do, I'll compare 0 with 2. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll compare 0 with 2. Okay, now see 0 with 2, right? So 0 changes, 0 is as it is. Next at B, 0 changes from 0 to 1. Okay, so I'll write 1 here, I'll write dash here and C remains 0. Now see, are you getting this? What I have done? Comparing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll compare 0 with 4. Okay, 0. I'll compare it with 4. So 0 changes from 0 to 1. So I'll make a don't care here. B retains its state. C retains its state. This point is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So 0, what I did, comparing of this part is done. Okay, comparing of this part is done. Now, see here which all mean terms appear? 0, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so what I'll do? I have to okay. So whenever, see, whichever mean term is appearing here, okay, to that mean term, I'll go on putting the tick mark here. See, here 0 and 1 are appearing. So I'll put for 0, I'll put a tick mark and for 1, I'll put a tick mark. Similarly, 2 is appearing here. So I'll put a tick mark to 2 and 4 is appearing here. So I'll put a tick mark to 4. Is this understood? Is this step understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, now see, what I did, I compared 0 with its next group. Okay, now I'll compare this group, each element, with this group's each element. So I'll start with 1, I'll compare it with 3. 1 and 3 I'll see. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So I can write 1, comma 3 here. Okay, where 0 is 0, then 0 changes to 1 and 1. Okay, next what I'll see, you can do it by the time I complete, you can do it. You all have understood it, right? You all have understood it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो अभी you try till I give you the answer. You complete this table. One comma 3 I compared. Then I'll compare 1 and 5. I'll compare 1 and 5. If it is possible, I'll see. Okay, 1, 5, right? 0 changes from 0 to 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. So I'll write dash 0, 1. Then I'll compare 1 with 6. See, compare 1 up till here you all have got 1, 3 and 1, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, 1 and 6 when you try to do, see 0, A is changing from 0 to 1 and B is also changing from 1 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, and C is also changing. So I cannot write this here. I cannot write this here. Right, I cannot write 1 comma 6. So because I cannot compare it. Right? So 1 ka to ho gaya. Now 2 I have to compare with 3, 5, 6. So compare 2 with 3. 0 is 0, 1 is 1. Okay. So 2 comma 3 is possible. Okay. So 2 comma 3 mein A is 0 to 0. B is also 1, retaining 1. So 0, 1. However, C changes its state from 0 to 1. Okay. Now comparing 2 with 5. A is 0 to 1. See, 2 with 5, if you want to do, A is changing its state from 0 to 1. And B is also changing from 1 to 0. So I cannot write 2 comma 5 here. I cannot compare 2 and 5. Okay. Next what I'll do, I'll check 2 and 6. 0 to 1, 1 to 1, 0 to 0. So 2 comma 6 is possible. Okay, so 2 comma 6 is possible because 0 is changing from 0 to 1. So I'll put a dash here. 1 retains its state and C retains its state. Okay, 2 ho gaya. Now I'll compare the 4 one. Okay, 4 and 3 I'll compare. See, if I want to compare 4 and 3, A changes its state from 1 to 0 and then from 0 to 1. So 4 comma 3 I cannot write. Now I'll check for 4 comma 5. 1, 1, 0. Okay, 4 comma 5 is possible. Okay, so here 1, 0 and dash. See your 4 comma 5. Okay, next 4 comma 6 I'll do. 4 comma 6 means 1 dash and 0. See 4 comma 6, did you get? All of you
Yes,
check
ma'am.
this. Same Aya table, step 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see. Now again what I have to do? whichever mean terms are appearing here, you have to put a tick mark here. So 1 comma 3, 1 we have already put a tick mark. Now, okay, 3. Next, 5 is here, so I'll put a tick mark to 5. 6 is also here, I'll put a tick mark to 6. Okay, is this clear? Step 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to step 4. Okay, I'm taking this table is from step 3, okay? Because I want to compare. So I'll take this table from step 3. Okay, this is my step 3. Now step 4. Step 4 is repeat step 3. Step 4 is repeating step 3. Okay. Okay, now see. Now what I'll do while repeating step 3. Now I'll compare, see here what I'll do, I'll compare 0 1 with 1 3, 0 1 with 1 5, 0 1 with 2 3, 0 1 with 2 6, 0 2 with 1 3, 1 3, 0 2 with 1 5. So understanding? Are you understanding what
Yes,
to do
ma'am.
in step 4? You do the step 4. Let me see the answers. Once you are done, you let me know. Yes, is that done? Anyone? Anyone could do that?
Ma'am.
Sanket. 1 minute, huh, Sanket? संकेत डोंट केयर भी डाला है, डैश भी डाला है.
मैम डोंट केयर भी ओ सेम आया ना मैम इधर.
नहीं नहीं रुको. हाँ ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ okay, so right. What I'll do, I'll compare 0 1 with 1 3 first. ठीक है. See 0 1 में here 0 0 dash है. Okay, and 1 3 में 0 dash 1 है. Okay, so if this is the case, then I cannot compare 0 1 and 1 3. Okay, 0 1 and 1 3 नहीं होगा. Okay, next 0 1 and 1 5 देखो. 0 1 and 1 5. Okay, this don't care is here at C. Okay, and here 1 5 में it is here. Okay, so दो state change हो सकता है. So 0 1 1 5 I cannot consider. Next 0 1 and 2 3 I'll see. See 0 is retaining its 0. 0 is changing to 1 and don't care is still a don't care. So I have that term which is 0 1 2 3. Okay, where A is 0, B is dash and C is dash. Okay, now 0 1 2 3 हो गया. Next I'll see 0 1 2 6. 0 is don't care, 0 to 1. So 0 1 2 6 I cannot compare. Okay, next I'll go to 0 2 and 1 3. See 0 2 1 3 में 0 2 1 3 ना. हाँ, see 0 is 0, this is changing and 0 changes to 1. Okay, मतलब see again I am writing 0 2 1 3 as 0 dash and dash. Okay, it means what? It can be written as 0 1 2 3. So I am getting it same here. Okay, so I am getting it same. नहीं भी लिखा तो चलेगा ये. Even if you don't write, that is okay. Done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me remove this one. Okay, let it be there. Next क्या हुआ? 0 1 2 3 I did. Now 0 1 2 6 I'll compare. See, A is changing from 0 to don't care. B from 0 to 1. Again C from don't care to 0. So 0 1 2 6 combination I cannot write. Okay. Now second combination I'll check. 0 2 with 1 3. Can I do this? 0 2 and 1 3. Can I do this? See, it can be done, but again it will be same as ऊपर जो already किया है. Okay, 0 1 2 3 only. Okay, next 0 2 I have to compare with 1 5. 0 2 is this, 1 5 is this. Is it possible 0 2 1 5?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not possible. Next 0 2 2 3 is possible.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so next combination is 0 2 4 6. Sorry, 0 2. अच्छा 2 6 is there ना. Okay, maybe 2 6 be. Okay, 1 minute. 0 2 2 6 is also not there. Okay, 0 2 2 6 combination also not there, because see 0 states changes to don't care changes to 1, and 0, okay, 0 is unchanged, but there are two state changes, so I'm not considering 0 to 26 also. Okay, next. Next, I'll go for 0, 4. I'll go for 0, 4. Check 0, 4 with 1, 3. Not possible.
No.
Okay, not possible. Okay. 0, 4 with 1, 5.
Yes, ma'am. Possible, ma'am.
Possible. Okay. So 0, 4, 1, 5. Okay. I'll get dash 0 dash. Correct? 0, 4, 1, 5. Yes. Next 0, 4, 2, 3.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, you cannot do. Okay. Next 0, 4, 2, 6.
Yes, ma'am. Possible.
0, 2, 4, 6. ओके, ये कैसे हो जाएगा आपका? 0, 4, 2, 6 is dash.
Dash, dash.
Yes, dash, dash and 0. ठीक है? Next. Next, what I'll do? I'll compare this, na? 1, 3 with 4, 5. Check if it is possible. 1, 3. Not
No, ma'am.
possible. Then
No,
1,
ma'am.
6 with 4, 6. Not possible.
No.
Then 1, 5 with 4, 5. Not possible. 1, 5 with 4, 6. Not possible. Check 2, 3 with 4, 5. 2, 3 with 4,
Not possible.
not possible. Similarly, 2, 3 with 4, 6 is also not possible. Okay, next. 2, 6 with this, it is not possible. 2, 6 with this, it is not possible. Okay. Done up till here? All of you have done up till here?
Yes.
Okay, abhi dekho. Now what I'll do? I have to put a tick mark here now. I have to put a tick mark here. Right? So what I'll do here? See, 0, 1, 2, 3 are appearing here. Okay, in step number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 are appearing here. Okay, so 0, 1, I'll put a tick mark. 0, 2, I'll put a tick mark. Right? See, 0, 1 is there, 0, 2 is there. Okay. Next 0, 3, sorry, 1, 2 is there. Okay. No, 1, 3 is there. So I'll put 1, 3 ko tick mark. Okay. See, combination. 2, 3 is there. So I'll put a tick mark to combination 2, 3. Okay. Next. 0, 2 is already done. 0, 1 is already done. 0, 3 is not here. 2, 3, I have already put a tick mark. 1, 2 is not there. 1, 3 is already there. Put a tick mark. Okay. 0, 4.
No, 4.
0, 4, I'll put a tick mark. Okay. 1, 4.
1, 5.
1, 5. Okay. 1, 5 is here. Okay. Next, see. 4, 5. 4, 5 bhi hai idhar. See, here it is 4. Here it is 5. Okay. So 4, 5 is also here. Next, 2, 6 is there and 4, 6 is also here. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is your step 4. Understood with step 4? Everyone understood step 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we'll go to step 5. Okay. Now see, step 5 is, again you have to repeat step 4. Okay. That is, if there is any possibility of repetition, then you have to repeat. Okay. Else, okay, else you have to list out the prime implicants. Okay, now how do we list out the prime implicants? Is you have to check all the steps, okay, and wherever in whichever mean term you have not put a tick mark, okay, that will be your mean term, that will be your PI. Okay, now see, see here I have nowhere put the tick mark. Okay, in step 4 I have nowhere put the tick mark, right? So what is this? This is 0, means this is A bar. This also 0 means A bar. This is also a bar. However, this is your B bar and this is your C bar. Okay, समझ में आया? Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is the step 4. Okay, this is step 4 I have checked. You have to check for step 3. If any box is unchecked, that will also be adding here. Okay. Similarly, step 2 you have to see. If any box remains unchecked, that will also be a PI. Okay. So, P. Okay. So, answer my PIs. Okay, here in this numerical, my PI are A bar, sorry, B bar and C bar. Understood now? How to check the PI? Yes, is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take down. Find all the PI for the function f of ABCD equal to summation of 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14 using Quine-McCleskey method. You have to find all the PI for the function f of ABCD equals to 0, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So you do it parallelly, I'll also do it here. Okay. So step 1, I'm expressing it in terms of zeros and ones. Okay. So 0 is 0, 0, 0. 2 is 0, 1 minute. Okay. 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. Then 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Then 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. Then 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. And 14 is 1, 1, 1, 0. All could do this? All could do this? Check this table. Step 1. All of you check your step 1. Tallying your step 1 with mine. Done? Is step 1 done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'll go to step 2. Group the mean terms according to the number of ones present and in the increasing order. Copy. Zero, zero. Then 12. Then I'll get 3 here. See this? Your second one, step 2. Check with your step 2. Step 2. Done? Is step 2 done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tally कर रहे हो ना? Yalla tallying this, I hope so. Okay, I'll take my step 2 ka again here. I'll take the same table. Okay. Now let me remove this one. Now step 3. Okay, my step 3 is comparing each group with the immediate next group and see for 1 bit change. I'll take this here. You all can start doing that parallelly. I'll do it here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll compare 0 with 2. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So I can write 0, comma 2. Okay. So 0, comma 2 mein it's changing from 0, 0, dash 0. Okay. Now I'll compare 0 and 4. 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0. So I can write 0 and 4. It's changing from 0. This is dash 0, 0. Okay. Now I'll compare 0 with 8. 0 with 8. It would be dash 0, 0. See, 0 generally goes with generally 0 goes with the next immediate group. Okay. Every time this happens. Okay, but let us not rely on it. Next, I'll compare what now? I'll compare 2 with 3. 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 1 to 1. Okay, 2, 3 I can do. Okay, so I can do 2, comma 3 where it is changing from 0, 0, 1, 0. See, any step you are facing difficulty, let me know now only. Okay, 2, comma 3. Then I'll check for 2, comma 10. So 0 to 1, 0. So I have dash 0, 1, 0. Oh, 0, 1, 0. Next I'll have 2, comma 12. 2, comma 12. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So 2, comma 12 is not possible. Next, I'll go for 4, comma 3. 0 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So 4, comma 3 is not possible. Now next 4, comma 10, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. No, not possible. 4 to 12, 0 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay, 4 to 12 is possible. Okay. So 4, comma 12 is possible, giving you what? 4, comma 12 dash 1, 0, 0 dash 1, 0, 0. Okay. Next 4 to 12 हो गया ना 8. 1, 8, 3 is not possible. 8, 10, 1 to 1, 0. Okay, 8, 10 is possible. Shall have 8, comma 10. 8, comma 10 में 1 to 1, 0 to 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, dash and 0. Okay. Then 8, comma 12. Is it possible? 8, comma 12 is possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is 1 dash 0, 0. Okay, next I'll go for the next one. 3. How to compare 3 now? 3 I'll compare with 13. 3, 13 is not possible. 3, 14 is also not possible. Then 10, 13. 1 to 1, 0. Okay. 10, 13. Not possible. 10, 14. 10, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
10, 14. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, 10, 14 check karo. 1 to 1
Possible,
remains
ma'am.
same. 0 to 1
Possible, ma'am.
it changes. Possible. Okay. 10 to 14. It is 1 to 1 dash 1, 0. Okay. Next क्या हुआ? 10 to 14 is done ना? हाँ. Next 12. 12 to 13 possible.
Possible.
Yes. 13. 1, 1, 0 dash. ठीक है? One more combination I have, I feel so. 12, 14. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In 1, 1, don't care, and 0. See, check your table now, everyone. Okay, this is the table you get. Step 3. All are tallying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'll put a tick mark, okay? See here, 0 and 2 are there in step 3. So, for 0 I'll put, and for 2 I'll put. 4 and 8 are also there. So, 4 and 8 I'll also put, I'll tick mark. 2 is already done. 3 is already, 3 I have to do. Okay, then I have to do 10. Then 4. 4, 12, na? 4 is already done. 12 I'll put a tick mark. Then 8, 12. 8 is already done, 12 is done. 10, 14. So 13, 14 also there. Okay? So this is my step 3. Is it understood? Step 3 is done, everyone. Is that step 3 done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi I'll go to step 4, which is to repeat step 3. Again I'll go on comparing. Okay? Step 4 is repeat step 3. So I'll take this only, copy. Okay, step 4. क्या करना है मुझे भी? Okay, right? Step 4 ना? Now see, I'll compare 0, 2 with 2, 3. Only one state change has to be there, huh? So 0, 2 with 2, 3, it's not possible. 0, 2 is directly possible with 8, 10. 0, 2, 8, 10 is don't care. 0, don't care. 0. Next 0, 4. 8, 12 maybe. 0, 4, 8, 12. Don't care, don't care. 0, 0. Next 0, 8. 0, 8. I have to check with this. 0, 8 to 10. Okay, 0, 8 to 10. 0, 8 to 10. Okay. Again, 0, 8 now. Dash 0, dash 0. Okay, dash 0, dash 0. Okay. So it's okay if I don't write this. Okay. So I'll not write this. Next, 2, 3 I'll compare with 10, 14. Not possible. 2, 3 I'll compare with 12, 13. Not possible. Okay. Right. Next, 2, 10 I have to compare. No. 4, 12. No. 8, 10. 8, 10. With this, no. With this, no. Okay. 8, 10. 8, 10, 12, 14. 1, dash, dash, 0. 10, 12, 14. देखो, you get this? All of you check. Check your step 4. Confused somewhere? Or are you getting the same? Abhay,
Yes, ma'am.
you are getting the step 4 same?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Shubham? Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am,
क्या
थोड़ा
हुआ स्टेप
confused.
वेयर
Ma'am, that's step 4 only.
स्टेप 4 ना ओके देखो स्टेप 2 स्टेप 3 से व्हाट आई डिड 0 2 आई कंपेयर्ड विद 2 3 ओके सी 0 0 0 0 बट सी इधर डोंट केयर टू 1 है एंड हियर 0 टू डोंट केयर है okay so I cannot take this as a comparing group okay instead why similarly see 0 to 210 भी लिया ना तो see if I want to compare 0 2 and 210 then 0 changes from 0 to don't care here it remains same but again don't care changes to 1 so I cannot take 0 2 and 210 0 2 and 4 12 maybe 0 changes its state from 0 to don't care A may and C changes from don't care to 0. So there are two state changes. So I cannot take this also. However, if I compare 0 to next is 8 10. See 0 changes to 1. Sorry. 0 changes to 1. 0 here B it is same. Don't care is don't care. 0 is 0. So मैंने क्या किया 0 to 8 10 have taken don't care 0 don't care 0 अभी समझ में आया
Yes, ma'am.
अभी देखो यह हुआ 0 to 8 10 नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू कंपेयर 0 4 2 3 okay next don't care is 0 again changing okay 0 is again changing to 1 0 is again changing okay Shubham is that understood now
Yes, ma'am.
sure na
Yes, ma'am.
okay so I will go on putting the check mark see now here in step 4 I have 0 2 so I'll put a tick mark here okay next 0 8 is there so I'll put a tick mark here next 8 10 I have I'll put a tick mark here next 2 10 I have I'll put a tick mark here okay 4 combinations next 0 4 is here so I'll put a tick mark 0 8 is here I've already done 0 12 does not exist 4 8 is not there 4 12 I'll put a check mark okay next 8 12 I'll put a check mark okay next third one 8 10 I have already put a check mark 8 12 is there next 8 14 is not there okay 10 12 not there 10 14 I'll put a check mark okay next 12 14 I'll put a check mark right is this fine
Yes, ma'am.
okay now after step 4 I'll go to step 5 okay but only in case there is any comparing part okay is there any comparing part now
No, ma'am.
no right you cannot compare here anything see इधर state change होगा ही नहीं Okay, so I cannot compare, right? So इधर का prime implicant क्या है? What is my prime implicant here? B bar, D bar. Okay, so prime implicant I'll write here. Okay, here it is B bar, D bar. Okay, next here it is C bar, D bar, right? Next here it is A, D bar. You are getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
And here, right, I just deleted it. Okay, 1 minute. You all have put check mark there, right? You put a check mark. Okay, I'll put this one. Okay, next it was here 210. Then it was here 412. Then it was 810. Then you have to put for 812. Then it was there for 1014. Right? These all were your check marks. These were your check marks.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have unchecked is your PI. So it is A bar, B bar, C. Okay, it is A bar, B bar, C. And here it is A, B, C. Now see. So your expression has 5 PIs: A bar, B bar, C, A, B, C bar, B bar, D bar, C bar, D, and A, D bar. Understood now? Everyone, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right? So this is what is your Quinn-McCleskey method. Okay, so we'll continue with the same method for the tomorrow's class also. Okay, right? If any doubts you have, you still have time to ask me tomorrow. Okay, so we all will quit now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quit. You all can quit.